Super lazy but you still want a meal prep, then this video is going to be for you. So I'm going to be doing a super lazy saag masala with turkey mince today. It's one of my go-to recipes, which is a jarred sauce. This one in particular from Morrison's. I've already put it in the pan, that's why it's empty. And people are going to be like, but Daryl, isn't this so processed? Isn't it processed? You shouldn't have processed food, Daryl. It's minimally processed. I can pronounce every single ingredient on that jar, and I'm shit at English. So if I can do it, you can do it. So, minimally processed food. It's going to be potatoes, turkey mince, that sauce, and vegetables of your choice. I think I'm having broccoli. I haven't quite checked yet, but I think I'm having broccoli. You'll see on this video at some point. So it's going to be minimally processed, super easy, lazy meal prep. So each of these portions is going to be like 50 to 60 grams of protein each and every time. I'm using 250 grams of turkey mince per portion, 250 grams of new potatoes per portion. It's going to be a third to a quarter of that jar, which is about 60 to 70 calories. And it's literally taken me 7 minutes to do the mince just then. I've already done it, and I'll insert a video, I'll be browning it off here. And I smashed in the sauce. I'll show you what that looks like. Here's what it looks like. I've smashed it all together, cooked it through. I'm just waiting for the potatoes. Look at these, right. The potatoes are done in the air fryer. Now we're going to cut them up. So next step, because I had to show you this, because that's how you do these videos. I'm taking the potatoes out of the air fryer. Fucking asshole. Taking them out of the air fryer. I'm not going to show you every single one. They're coming out of the air fryer onto the chopping board. Potatoes on the chopping board. Burnt my hand. It's 37 degrees outside, and I'm making a bloody cooking video. 2 cooking videos in one go. So I'm literally just going rough on this. I'm going to use a fork to protect my hands. I'm just going to cut. Oh, bloody hell, potato fell apart. Lovely. I'm going to cut these potatoes up, because I'm going to put them in the pan for my dish, my little dishy that I showed you earlier, which is the saag masala. Cutty. I'm not going to show you cutting them up, that's it now. I'll show you me, moving the potatoes into the pan, but I will show you me putting them in the pan and stir them around a little bit before I go back to face the camera. You know how to do this, I'm not going to keep showing you. So, it's in the pan, it's cooking through. I'll show you the finished article in a minute. I've got the broccoli on the steamer. I can't show you that. Oh yeah, I can. Yeah, broccoli on the steamer, that's steaming away. I'll show you the finished product in a minute. Whilst all that's cooking, please see today's sponsor. There isn't a sponsor. I have about 50 subscribers, but if you subscribed, I could have 51. Now, I'm just going to be doing these lazy boy videos for a few days, and there's long form ones that I do that I've got a wicked editor called Mike, where I deep dive into like more things that are more serious, like more mindset stuff, some approaches for like training and life and stuff, and they're like highly edited, but I'm going to do a mixture of both. Let's see which one the algorithm snags and actually likes, and if you guys like these lazy boy ones, and maybe these are a lot better in time as well, but for now I'm just doing it lazy styles, as you can see. Just cooking like a lazy boy, because that's what meal prep should be. It should be easy and it should be quick, and I don't have time to make these pretty boy meals, neither maybe do you. So I'm just going to show the reality of it. I've been a coach for 11 years. I give these tips to my clients all the time. Obviously, over time I get them to eat more processed food, but this is just a quick, easy way to win with this. So yeah, drop me a subscribe if you fancy seeing more like this. It's just going to be laziness like this, but it's super quick. So whether you're watching this video where it's about this turkey mince saag masala, or you're watching the other one that I'm doing simultaneously to cooking this one, which is me cooking 200 grams of protein in just 3 minutes of your time and your prep, then I appreciate it. And back to the video. Food's done. So this is what it looks like. Potato, I mixed it in like I said, the turkey mince, broccoli which put in the steamer, perfectly balanced meal, super high in protein, did 2 portions, very good micronutrients as well, good balance of carbs. Because everyone has to do that when they cook their new scran to prove to you that it tastes nice. So, into the gob. Because nobody said it tastes like shit when they did a meal prep thing, but this actually tastes nice. Don't know how it couldn't have been. Like, it's already pre-done for me. So yeah, nice. And if that came across as some AMSR, is that what you call it? When you can hear me licking the fork there. If you like that, nice. If you didn't, I apologise. So that's it, lazy boy meal prep. I'll drop some description notes down below. And if you liked it, want to see some more lazy boy meal prep, subscribe.